Folks, welcome back to my channel. We have a main irrigation water line that's broken, and there's the where it's right down in here, this area. So what we're going to do is first try to figure out why it broke, and we're going to take you over here to where the shutoff is. It's located here in the front, right above the main line. Easy to find the irrigation valve. It's a green box. Sometimes it's round. It's right next to the main water meter to the house. But sometimes, you know, it could be elsewhere. So right now, right in here is where we have a shutoff and a regulator, water pressure regulator. All right, so we got Benjamin. He's first time going to be doing this kind of work. Thinks there's a root there already, so we're going to find out real quick here shortly. So we got some root out, but it might not be the problem. But I'm going to see right now. So get that dug up. Yeah, something definitely is capped off. So we will have to turn the water on momentarily to see where, unless it's obvious, but I don't.
So it's a T.
All right. So we're gonna get that broken riser in there with his tractor. Hopefully that's. Oh, there we go. Come right off. And what we'll do is put another riser and then put a pressure gauge there and check out the pressure. So we got a new riser on there. We're gonna put the pressure gauge on there. So you can point it. Try to point it this way, right? Okay, right. Okay, so we're gonna turn the water on and we're gonna see what that gauge does. That's still going. Just leave, you got it on all the way?
Yeah.
All right, well, that's not bad. We're under 60 pounds.
So,
go ahead. We're under 60 pounds, so we're okay.
yeah.
It's not a problem. Okay, go ahead and shut the water off. All right, folks, that's we're under 60 pounds, so that's okay. We'll sit about 60. That's fine. Probably the root that was there probably did something to the riser, that there's no leaks here, so that's all it is. Anyway, that's how you can test your, if that pipe with this pipe. So as far as we can see, the riser was fractured, and so what we'll do is we'll cap it and pressurize it, and we'll know for sure if that was the only problem. All right, folks, so we got it all pressurized and it's all good. So fortunately somebody had put a T in there, which, you know, it made it a lot easier on us. But this is what you want to do. If you have a fractured pipe and you're going to get into it, you want to install a T right there, so that way you can test it, like, you know, test the pressure, and then for future you can always go back there and actually test the pressure to see if the regulator's working. Pressure gauge and check out the pressure and see if that was a problem. Obviously, we saw it was 60, which is good. And we're thinking that just this root right here is the one that might have fractured it on the top. So it was like about right there.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
So.
Yes, do you see the dent right there?
Yeah, so yeah, that's probably what it was. Roots can definitely break things. So anyway, until the next time, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to press the like, and don't forget to subscribe.